Richard Dawkins, the most evangelical atheist and Darwinist on this planet.
Yes.
He writes in his book, A Devil's Chaplain, that our successors of the 21st century may get new data observations that would make them abandon Darwinism altogether or change it beyond recognition kind of thing. Yes.
What would you say? And if an empiricist comes in front of you and asks you to explain that, what does it mean?
We should have done science. We should be doing science. We should be doing philosophy.
Absolutely
We should be
agreed.
doing maths. And we left all these mass swathes of intellectuals of empathy. And somebody just overtook. We can't simply stand on the side and say, oh, they were the bad guys.
That maybe in this particular century that the Muslim academics have accepted the Western superiority of.
You need to have that sense of bravery or that sense of, being able to challenge the current discourse, because really you're doing a favor to the academy anyway. Progress humanity intellectually anyway if you have that kind of mindset, because all of the progress that was made was done by unreasonable people, if you think about it.
Probably the most important for our youth.
Yes.
People who get so easily impressed by the exterior of the West and, the sense of glamour and so forth. Because
But I have to admit, just to interject, I love the way you come across, man. You make me sound like a Neanderthal. He's polite and stoic and this, and I'm like Greek. I'm like more Punjabi than him. What are you doing in Lahore, bro? We need to question our vision in our lives. If it was to be a great academic and to be seen as a leader on this issue and to be, have your back, you tap yourself on the back and other people give you a round of applause, and within the academic circles you're seen as somebody. If that's all you want to achieve, then with all due respect, you have a form of ujub, vanity, and maybe kibr, arrogance, and even riya, ostentation. In the hadith Qudsi, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, I am as my servant thinks that I am. In the Arabic, it also means I am as my servant expects me to be. And you'll find Allah in the greatest of your expectations.
he quoted the population crisis in the West. Only two things have been responsible to cause this level of population crisis. That is liberalism and Black Plague.